Thank you for being a part of my speech.
My pleasure.
Imagine being unable to access your medical records when you need them most, or worse, your loved ones being denied that's right on your behalf. Today, I'll talk about the importance of personal health records and how HIPAA allows individuals to appoint personal representative to access those records. Understanding our rights under HIPAA is essential for protecting our health information and ensuring we receive proper care when we can't speak for ourselves. That is from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services in 2020. The main points that I'll be covering is what is a personal health record and why it matters, the role of a personal representative under HIPAA, and how individuals can name a representative and what rights are included. So, what is a personal health record? PHR. It is a digital or paper-based record of a individual's medical information. That is from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services in 2019. The personal health record, it includes medication, allergies, test results, and immunizations. It's often managed by the patient, not just the provider. It helps improve communication between providers and patient. So, since we know what a PHR is, let's look at who can access it when you're unable to. Okay, so the role of a personal representative. It is defined under HIPAA as someone legally allowed to act on your behalf. So they have to know what they can access and what they can't. So they can access your protected health information and they must be treated the same as the individual in terms of rights. And that is from the US Department of Health and Human Services Office for Civil Rights. So, for example, it would be a parent of a minor, a legal guardian, a person with power of attorney. So, how does someone become the personal representative? So, naming a personal representative, you must follow state laws, often involve legal documents. You need to know what you can do. Like I said before, you have to know what you can do and what you can't do. So you can access medical records, and you cannot override patient rights unless lawfully designated, and that is from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Service. For example, if you were in the hospital and you couldn't speak for yourself, your mom or someone you trust could be given the legal rights to speak to the doctor for you. That makes the process easier to understand and shows how real it can be. So, knowing how to name a representative is powerful, but it's just as important to remember what that means for your future and your privacy. So, let's wrap up everything we have covered. Okay, so we covered the purpose of personal health records, the importance of personal health representative under HIPAA, and how someone is chosen for that role. So, knowing our rights, we protect our privacy and ensure the people we can trust help make the decisions we need when we need them the most. And I thank y'all for watching.